I want to share with you a healthy lunch checklist. This is actually perfect for those of you that are on the go, you're really busy, you maybe are trying to do some prep for the week ahead, you're eating at the office or you're eating on a road trip. But either way, I want you to have a foundation of ideas to really start creating a healthier lunch and making sure you have all the components you need for a healthy lunch. So this guide that I'm showing you today is actually inside my nutrition resource library. My nutrition resource library is a completely free library where you can download all kinds of guides like this. This one will be in there, but there's also crockpot recipes, healthy dessert recipes, all kinds of things like that. So let me quickly show you what's included in this one, and then you can go grab it and download it for free. This talks about healthy lunch being an equation, really just making sure you have the 5 essential components to really include in your lunch to make sure you're getting the most out of your meal. So we talk about including nutrient-dense, non-starchy vegetables. We talk about getting protein. We talk about healthy fats. So important to include healthy fats in your lunch. But we also talk about things like fiber and whole grains and making sure you're getting enough water and when to have it. So this is some quick and simple make ahead lunch recipe ideas that include all of those. You could do a salad in a jar, a bistro box, pesto zoodles, Buddha bowl, fajita tacos, frittata and salad, spinach lasagna. There's lots of ideas where you can really dive in and start creating these healthy recipes from the basic foods that you probably already have on hand. So go ahead, grab this healthy lunch checklist. I cannot wait to hear what you create out of this. And I want you to remember that it doesn't have to be difficult. It can be simple, it can be inexpensive and delicious. So go ahead, dive in, try it. Let me know what you think. Again, you can grab this checklist and so much more inside my nutrition resource library.